Good night everyone. Today I'm going to present a traditional Portuguese recipe called bolinhos de coco. It's a very simple and popular sweet in Portugal because it's so easy and quick. It's ideal to do with children or when we don't have much time. The ingredients are 3 eggs, 250 grams of sugar, and 200 grams of desiccated shredded coconut. First, we preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then we mix the coconut. The sugar, and the eggs together, but without overmixing. After that, we spoon the mixture into individual paper cases. Finally, we bake the cakes for about 10 minutes. Let them cool, and they are ready to serve. It's delicious.